Ever launched an iOS campaign, waited days for performance data, and still had no idea what actually worked? Yeah, that's the SCAD network problem. Hey there, app marketers and app owners. Welcome to AppPro's YouTube channel, your go-to space to learn everything about mobile marketing. From industry shifts to smarter tools that actually solve your everyday challenges, we are here to break it all down for you. And today, we're talking about one of the biggest challenges in iOS attribution, SCAD network or SCAN. SCAN is Apple's privacy-first attribution framework. It was designed to measure ad performance without tracking users. No IDFA, no user-level data, just aggregated insights. Sounds fair, right? But here's the real deal. With SCAN, you're often stuck with limited conversion values, postbacks that arrive after your budget's already spent, and privacy thresholds that sometimes give you no data at all. So yes, SCAN protects user privacy, which is great. But for marketers like you, it also creates blind spots. You're flying campaigns without visibility and trying to optimize without signal. That's a guessing game. At AppPro, we didn't just work around SCAN. We built for it. That's why we created a SCAN native approach to attribution. Our way of doing SCAN the right way. Not patched on, not retrofitted, natively designed to unlock the real value behind Apple's privacy-first framework. We are not here to make SCAN work. We've embraced it and engineered attribution that's privacy compliant and still genuinely useful. Here's what our SCAN feature brings to your iOS marketing toolkit. Real-time signal processing. Act while it still matters. Smarter conversion value mapping. Turn limited data into actionable insights. Predictive optimization. No more waiting days to react. A unified dashboard. Because digging through 5 tools is not a growth strategy. Here's how it works. Step 1. Integrate the AppPro SDK. Step 2. Our team helps you design a conversion value strategy tailored to your app goals. Then, once your campaigns go live, AppPro's SCAN native attribution system processes postbacks efficiently and delivers privacy-compliant insights to your dashboard in near real time. And yes, all of this stays well within Apple's privacy rules. No IDFA, no shady workarounds, just clean, clear data you can trust. Here's the best part. SCAN is evolving fast, and our SCAN native architecture is built to evolve with it. From SCAN 4.0 to whatever comes next, your measurement stays ahead of the curve. Because we are not reacting to SCAN, we're already living in it. So if you're tired of guessing what worked and why, if black box attribution is slowing down your growth, and if you're ready to make sense of SCAN without compromising on data, then it's time to go native. SCAN native. Only at AppPro. So what are you waiting for? Contact AppPro today and make your iOS attribution SCAN native. And hey, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss a beat on what's new in the mobile marketing world. New tools, new strategies, and honest breakdowns. We've got you covered. Stay tuned and we'll see you in our next video.